Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's kind of late in the afternoon. I think it's like maybe 2 or 3, so I'm starting the vlog off a little bit later, but I am about to go and do a little bit of laundry real quick and figured why not vlog? I love to vlog so much, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do some laundry, you know, that fun stuff. But I just filmed a video for you guys and it's uploading right now. It's a story time, so if you haven't seen it, by the time this is up, go check it out. It is bizarre. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, get started on all of that laundry that's piled up over there. So I just put some clothes in the dryer. I finally got my video uploaded. Took 1,000 years for it to upload, I swear. But I really need something to drink. If you hear that loud noise in the back, that is the wash and dryer going on right now. But I really need something to drink. I'm so thirsty. I've gotten all the work done today that I needed to get done, so that's a great feeling. And it's only 3:30, so I have the rest of the afternoon to do whatever, which is so nice. I'm either gonna watch the Food Network, YouTube, or Gossip Girl. I just don't know what I want to watch yet. And Bo is picking up fajitas for dinner, which I'm so pumped about. Like, I love chicken fajitas. I think that's like my all-time favorite meal. Oh, I just love them. What do I want to watch? Barefoot Contessa on demand. Just put up a ton of clothes. I'm getting hungry. And I don't think I can wait for dinner for these fajitas. Like, I am starving right now. I'm gonna take one of my core shots, as always. I just don't know what I want to eat to hold me over. I had a protein bar, but I'm afraid if I eat anything else, I'm gonna be too full and spoil my dinner. So, the struggle of a girl who's always hungry. Alright, I just got done ordering like some PR stuff online that I had to get done. So now I am just finishing Gossip Girl. Excuse my shirt over there, I was too lazy to hang it up already. Okay, so we just picked up dinner. It smells incredible. We got fajitas. Guys, look how big this cup of salsa is. That makes my heart happy. Let's see what this looks like. Whoa, even the queso is just as big.
Oh, sick.
It's a huge queso. What the heck? Hot. Oh, that was so hot. Jeez, the heck. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Because it is on fire. Oh my god, you can see the steam coming off it. Okay, what is in here?
The salad.
How do you get this open? Why is it not opening? Okay, there we go. Yum. Yum. Wow, my heart is so, almost dropped that. My heart is so happy. We're gonna go eat dinner. I will let you guys know how amazing this is because it looks incredible. I have high hopes, high expectations. All right, we're gonna go eat. Thank you. Fajitas were amazing. I am so full. I feel like I'm gonna pop. So I'm just gonna take my makeup off real quick. I really ate so much food. The fajitas were amazing, and so was the chips and salsa and queso. Oh, my nail just broke. This is not okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the night off here. I am exhausted. Didn't do much this afternoon since I vlogged so late today, but I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So it's now the next morning. I just got up, just got my coffee. I'm about to I'm about to watch The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills because I missed the episode when it came on, so I'm gonna catch up on that. And I really need to get some groceries for the house, so I don't know if we're gonna go tonight or maybe tomorrow to try to do that, but I almost spilled my coffee. Excuse my hair, it's literally a bedhead at its finest. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I spray it, I just spray it all over my bed, my pillows, all over my room. It smells so good. There's also this one from Whole Foods that I really like. These are the two like room and pillow sprays that I really love. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my bed. In my room. Smells bomb. I'm just finishing off my leftovers that I had last night. I'm eating in bed because why not? And I'm gonna watch Outer Banks. I haven't seen it yet, but everyone keeps talking about it, so I'm about to binge watch this right now. So it's now Saturday. I just got out the shower. I'm about to do my makeup and film a favorites video for you guys. So I wanted to show you guys. This was the new shirt jacket that I got in the mail the other day. I just have it on with some high-waisted Lululemon leggings. So I'm gonna go do my makeup. Okay, so we just came back from the grocery store. I'll show you guys what we got. I got a watermelon that I'm gonna chop up. Been craving one. We went to this local cute little store. Got some Parmesan and a couple of limes. And then Bo got some bacon. And then I got some mozzarella. These are so good. They're the mozzarella pearls. They taste amazing. Cheese, some butter, grapes. Got these strawberries and they look beautiful. I cannot wait to eat those. And we also got from the fresh meat section, they had black garlic wings, which looked so bomb. So I'm gonna make these tonight. Got some wine and a little pack of the Izzy drinks. These are so good. This is just the Clementine one. They're so good. Then we got some bread. This one Bo really likes. It's just the Dave's bread. It's the Power Seed. It's pretty good. And then I got freshly baked pumpernickel bread because I love pumpernickel and I think that would be really good for a sandwich. Got a broccolini, sweet potatoes, and avocados. And then I picked up some apple cider vinegar. Got a big thing of organic bananas. We go through bananas so fast here. And then a bag of organic lemons and some more of the cereal because I already ate it all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this away now. Now I'm just switching out my bananas. I wait till they get like all spotted like this to freeze them because that's when they're gonna be their sweetest for like smoothies, and there's more health benefits when they're like this. And then I just stick these here to get ripe. I'm cutting up my watermelon right now to put it in the fridge and it looks so pretty. All right, so I just cooked dinner. I cooked the wings and then roasted some broccoli. And I also made a homemade Dijon honey mustard sauce. So we're about to go tear this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off real quick, get ready for bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye. I just got out the shower, moisturized. Me and Bo made some lunch. I made this amazing looking sandwich. I'm gonna have my drink, some watermelon, a few grapes, and some jalapeno chips, and we're gonna go outside and eat it. And it looks so yummy. So I'm literally just sitting on the couch watching TV. The lights went out. We had to light like every single candle we own. And it was so windy and it got like pitch black. And it sounded like the front door was about to just fly open. A little terrifying. My phone was at like 10%, so I found a portable charger, charging it, but it looks like death. Hey guys, sorry I didn't get to vlog hardly at all yesterday. The weather got horrible over here. We're out of electricity for over 15 hours. It was a very interesting night. It was so hot in my apartment, I thought I was gonna pass out. It's now the next day. I had so much to do this morning to get done that I didn't get to do last night, so this is my first time picking up the vlog camera today, and it's like 4 o'clock. I We're gonna make a homemade pizza last night, so we never got to because the electricity went out. So tonight, that's what I'm gonna go and make. But I just got out the shower, so I'm gonna do a quick little skincare real quick and try to go get started on that. And I've had this sample of the Glossier Future Dew for a while, and I've been wanting to try it, and I forgot that I had it, so I'm gonna try this out, see how it works with my skin, let you guys know what I think of it. So I just put the serum all over my face. My skin is so glowy. It feels so soft. I like it so far, but we'll see how my skin like reacts with it throughout the rest of the evening, and I'll let you guys know. We're making a homemade pizza. I think I'm the most excited to use this cheese. How bomb does this pizza look? And then I also made us a salad to go with it. And of course we have wine. So we're about to go devour. So before I go ahead and end off my vlog, I wanted to give you guys a little update on the Glossier Future Dew. It's now the next morning, so I can really see like if it did irritate my skin. No breakouts, no irritation or anything. My skin still feels so smooth. This is definitely a product that I want to purchase. I also feel like wearing it like underneath your makeup or something would look so good for like a glowy, dewy, fresh, summery look. I don't know, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.